Hey everyone, Technomentary with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the new key point summary for text using Apple Intelligent. So let's get started. And in order to use this feature, first thing is you need to update your iPhone to 18.1 by going into your settings, general, software update, and you need to update to 18.1 or newer. The second requirement is that it has to be a device that's compatible for Apple Intelligent, which is going to be iPhone 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max, or any of the new iPhone 16 lineup. Once you have done that, in your settings, you should see an Apple Intelligent option. You need to turn that on and turn this setting on. Now, if it says join Apple Intelligent, tap on it, and it'll take a few hours for the phone to activate Apple Intelligent. And once you have Apple Intelligent turned on, we're ready to use this tool. So first thing you're going to do is let's go ahead and find the text that we want the key points from. In our case, I'm going to select this paragraph from Apple's website. So I select this article that I want the key points for, and then there's a writing tool option that comes up. If I tap on it and look a little bit further down, it says key points. If I tap on it, it's going to go ahead and generate the key points in a list for me instead of reading that whole article itself. And this works great for text, email, anything in your notes, anything you're reading. Just simply use this tool to get the summary and get a quick and easy way to understand the article. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider hitting a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.